How do I know what industrial caster or wheel to use? 3 common questions that we are going to ask you to figure out what industrial caster or wheel you're going to use. First is going to be the load capacity of your application. Second will be the speed of your application, and third is going to be the duty cycle of your application. The surface or floor that your application is going to be rolling on will play a integral role in what wheel we provide to you. If it's going to be used outdoors, in rough terrain, dirt, things like that, a pneumatic wheel may be the best choice for you. If it's going to be something on smooth concrete, indoors, not a lot of debris on your floor, polyurethane is probably going to be the best solution for you in that case for your industrial wheel or caster. If it's going to be something where ergonomics is going to be of high importance to you, push-pull forces, then in that case we're probably going to go somewhere with polyurethane and possibly our Twergo design, depending on load capacity as well. Other applications may be on a rail, and this may require something like a V-groove or a flanged wheel to stay on that wheel on that track. Other things may require something that's a spring load if you're carrying heavy panes of glass or things like that that may make a lot of noise, or if they just are something that's kind of delicate, like being moved around in a museum. You may have something like a sculpture that's heavy duty, but you want to make sure that it's being handled delicately. A spring load or a shock absorbing caster may be the best way to go for that heavy duty application. Also, making sure you have the right wheel or caster for AGVs and things that are going to be used by battery power. Having the right design there is going to be very important, because even though it's not going to strain a person manually, that will give you longer battery life and also just longevity in your equipment in general if it's not taking as much force to move around and it's being moved easier. The battery life will last longer in one charge, and it'll last longer over the life cycle of that piece of equipment just by using the right caster. I'm Corey Faust with Caster Concepts, and I hope that this video has helped you figure out exactly what wheel you need to use for your application.